knows the conditions, got the pace of the pitch to his liking. I think this is a very sensible call by Bangladesh.
He has been sighting the ball really well. That's why he's accomplished the kind of feat that he has. So good decisions on both sides. Ahmed Danial to bowl and Saqlain and Habib to come out for Bangladesh.
Irfan Khan, his choices would have been Ahmed Danial, who bowled a brilliant last over, 2 for 11 of his 4 the entire spell, and Sufyan Mukim, 3 for 11. So he has gone for the safe option, which is go pace. Habibur Rahman Sohan, for 26 of 16 with 3 boundaries and couple of sixers. He's been joined by Abdul Ghaffar Saqlain, who remain unbeaten, 16 of 12 deliveries with 2 sixers. Ahmed Danial was excellent with the ball and the bat in the semi-final. Continues his good work with 4 overs, 11 runs, 2 wickets, and he will continue to bowl the super over. The field, the short third man, short cover point, short fine leg, short extra cover, in deep, sweeper cover, long off, long on, deep mid and deep square leg. Here we go, super over time. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Danial. A bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saqlain back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going to forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saqlain, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saqlain. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saqlain departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.